Are the Jabra Elite 4 Active good? CES 2022 will see Jabra announce the Elite 4 Active, completing, for now, at least, its latest lineup of workout-friendly true wireless earphones. They are comfortable, come with on-ear controls, and are water-resistant to IPX4, so they will protect you from sweat and rain. The Jabra Elite 4 Active aren't the best-sounding in-ear headphones on earth, lacking the wide soundstage you'd get with an audiophile-grade set. The Jabra Elite 7 Active costs $279, while the Jabra Elite 3 comes in at $79.99, which is slightly more expensive than Jabra's flagship model. With several colors to choose from, the Jabra Elite 4 Active are as functional and well built as any other Jabra earbud we have tested. However, they do not come with any wingtips to keep them secure in your ears while exercising, but the Elite 4 Active are still extremely comfortable. In contrast to the Jabra Elite 7 Active, they do not have the shake grip coating that provides a secure fit. The Elite 4 Active is also water and dust resistant, enabling you to use them while exercising without being concerned about sweat or rainfall damaging them. There is a physical button on each housing for controlling your music playback, adjusting the volume, answering, rejecting and ending calls, and activating the voice assistant. You might like the fact that you do not have to learn a series of swipe gestures, but you may dislike the feeling of pushing the buds further into your ear canals when you wish to pause your music. Each housing includes a small LED that indicates the battery status of the buds, as well as when they are in pairing mode, powering off, or updating the firmware. The case itself is made from plastic with a flip-top lid and a USB-C charging port on the back. An LED is situated on the front of the charging case, which also indicates how much life is left in the battery. The Jabra Elite 4 Active includes a 6mm driver and a customizable equalizer that is controlled via the Jabra Sound Plus app. Though they sound good, the Jabra Elite 4 Active are lacking in the dynamic range and soundstage of models like the Sony WF-1000XM4 and the Cambridge Audio Melomania 1 Plus. A number of EQ presets are also available, including neutral, speech, bass boost, treble boost, smooth, and energize. Although it is unfortunate that there is no automatic pause function when you remove the earbuds, it is not a significant issue. There is also a hear-through mode, which allows you to listen to your surroundings without removing the earphones. With active noise cancellation activated, Jabra claims the Elite 4 Active will last for up to 28 hours while the earbuds themselves provide 7 hours of playback, which I found to be about right in our tests. Compared to the Apple AirPods 3 and the Sony WF-1000XM4, the Lipertec PurePlay Z3 2.0 offers an impressive 80 hours of battery life. It was easy to pair them with our iPhone 13 mini via Bluetooth 5.2. It is necessary to download the Jabra Sound Plus app in order to set the EQ, adjust the hear-through levels, as well as to update the firmware.